Adding rules or regulations to your YouTube comments is really easy. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube dashboard. How you do this in the top right corner, you click on your profile icon and you just want to go to YouTube Studio right here. Now, once you're in Studio, you just want to go into the settings option, bottom left-hand corner of the screen, where from here, you just want to click on the option called community moderation. You can see there's all of these settings, but we just want to go to this one down here. And once you're on this, all you need to do now is we've got all of these different filters. These are all the upload defaults. You can also do this for comments here if you want them to be on or off just in general, and you want them to be just moderated, like if you want people to hold comments or if you want to hold all and have to approve them, you can do that. But if you want to add the rules, what you need to do is you go to channel guidelines here and we scroll down and you can actually give a message for how you want people to be greeted when they see that they tried to comment for the first time. So you just want to say like, hi, how are you, for example, and then you could say your guidelines, whatever you do. And once you add your guidelines, you can add as many as you want. You can see it's up to 60 characters. You can just add the guidelines like so, and once you continue adding them, you can add 3 of them max. And when you click on the save option right here, you can see if we actually go back to our YouTube channel like so and just attempt to comment on any, and you can see when I log into a different account, every time I try to comment, this will actually just pop up on your feed, and you can just remove it and add and modify it the exact same way as we just did.